Got a big one rolling in here. Boom. The only thing I seen on this as it's rolling up here, this nasty spot right there. So let's get into it. I'm gonna keep that up on the edge the best I can so that stuff will get edged off of there over the edger. It's got a little bit of an oval shape to it. You can see there it's a little bit taller than it is wide here. It's saying it's 25 inches this way. See how big it is this way. This way is 26.5 inches. That's measuring across the butt end there. 331 board feet in this one. Look at all that gum. See all that dark stuff? That's all gum. Nothing I can do about it. I have to cut it. What I'm going to do is try to set this up on the edge. Not going to work, of course. So we're just going to go with it. Going to be some pretty nice sized boards coming off of this hog. Got it down to 22 by 19. And it's 19 inches wide here. Left to right or right to left, however you want to look at it. Big old honkers. Look at that. "17 inches that way." I'm going to come back to that. I'm going to go back to the other side, but let me zoom that in for you. I'm going to do some sawing on this one. I'm going to get probably 3 more, maybe 4 more boards off of this side. And you can see as I'm coming back, that heart's right there. So I got a little left, or a little meat left on the bone still on the top there where I know I need to go back anyways. That's going to bring that heart dang near right in the center. What do you think, Brian? We got both sats sitting in here. That heart's right, dang, it's about smack dab in the center. Got it down, right now it's 14 by 16. We're gonna send that right over to the resaw. Got another nice size one coming in right here, but hey, we'll see you later.